Tops off. Lots of work getting done to this nice excursion. Doing our stroker kit. We're doing obviously body mounts. We're doing new turbo. We're doing high pumps in here somewhere, hiding. Oh, there it is. New high pump, new oil cooler, doing new injectors, all the gaskets, everything you can possibly think of. We are going to make a video of everything that we do with gaskets, seals, washers, everything that comes in our kit. That way every customer, when they say, what's all in your kit, they can see what we're doing, how we're doing it, and everything else in between. Also, getting brand new heads. I think everything's almost getting replaced on this bad boy. So, these body mounts on an 05 don't look too bad on the back. Kind of hard to see. It's always the ones on the front that go bad. So, stay tuned for all the fun parts that we're installing on this, and happy Monday.